The world is rapidly growing, and we need much more food in the near future. Actually, 60% more food is demanded in the upcoming decades, meaning we have to focus on the food production that requires the least amount of natural resources.
We're going to grow this food with the same natural resources as we have today, which means that we need to think about producing food in a much more sustainable way.
And the trout is that species because it uses very little feed, 1 kilo, in order to grow 1 kilo. So it's a beautiful animal in that respect.
My name is Eyvi, and I'm the CEO of Eyvi, which is a RAS design technology company.
My name is Sten Falkum. I'm the CEO of Hima Seafood, a leading aquaculture land-based company.
Eyvi is a highly experienced design and build company within the land-based RAS production. We have been in the industry for many years and also played a huge part developing the RAS technology from the very beginning. The Eyvi company was established on one really important core value. If we utilize natural resources for production of food, we want to give it back in the same state or better than before. We are now at Osland Settefisk, which is placed in Jordal, Sørve. This position has led us to a very valuable cooperation with Hima Seafood, who at the moment has an impressive scale-up of land-based facilities globally. They will produce this beautiful steelhead silver trout, which has its birthplace here at Osland, in a freshwater system, which also allows the valuable use of the byproducts from the production.
Mitt navn er Kjetil Rørtveit. Jeg er daglig leder i Osland Settefisk. Og bak meg her så ser de settefiskanlegget til Osland Settefisk. Ligger på Sørebø. Og der har vi bygd 5 rasavdelinger og produserer yngel og smolt av vår fantastiske regnbueøre. Når en skal bygge landbasert oppdrett, så er det mange ting som er viktig å tenke på. Jeg vil starte med å si at design av ras og design av kar er vel det viktigste. Og det er utrolig viktig å få en god hydraulikk og en stabil produksjon. Og så må en også tenke på å lage gode arbeidsforhold for de som skal gå og røkte fisken, og tenke på fiskevelferden. Og så er det også veldig viktig å ha i bakhodet at anlegget skal vaskes. Du må tenke hygiene, hygienisk design. Og så må du også tenke mye på vedlikehold og vedlikeholdsprogram. For anlegget skal jo gå lenge, så du må være forberedt på å drive vedlikehold jevnt og trutt. Steelheaden som Osland avler på å produsere, er jo vant med å gå og leve i ferskvann, så det er en utmerket fisk å produsere på land i ferskvann i resirkuleringsanlegg. Han vokser veldig raskt, han er robust, og han er en veldig effektiv produsent av sunne proteiner. Jeg får den stolthetsfølelsen fordi at vi lager et produkt som er fantastisk fint og smaker fantastisk godt. Og vi har veldig lite fotavtrykk, og vi er genuint opptatt av miljøet og alt som er rundt oss.
My name is Torgeir Breim, and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer in Eyvi. Today we are at Rjukan, and behind us, as you can see, we are executing one of the largest land-based production facilities for trout. This is the first of many land-based silver trout facilities we are going to build for Hima Seafood globally. The production will start early in 2024, and by mid-2025, Hima will start harvesting beautiful silver trout with an average weight of 4 kilos. In steady state, Hima will produce 10,000 tons of this beautiful silver trout, which equals 25 million dinner portions. We are now standing in one of 16 different departments in the Hima Seafood Rjukan facility. So the first step we have to do is to have a close cooperation with our clients to identify how much tonnage they are going to produce, at which size and which species. The second step is to ensure that the site is suitable. That means, does it have enough fresh water? Does it have enough power? And is it suitable for logistics and transport? When these 2 steps are in place, we are able to start the design of the facility. We are now in the third step of the process. The production plan will give us a layout. It will define the size, number of departments in the facility. It will identify how much feed we need and how much water we need.
Eyvi has taken a leading position designing RAS production facilities with zero discharge and zero emissions. You utilize very little natural resources because you recycle the water. Compared to, for instance, other method of producing fish, you have the sea-based production where you have net hum, and you also have float resistance where all water goes in and out of the facility at the same time.
That also gives the lowest CO2 footprint from all competing protein products, since it uses so little feed. And we are able to recollect the CO2, and we are able to control the effluent water, so we're leaving the nature in the same state as we took over it.
A large part of the design when we do plan a land-based facility is to create value where others see waste. Nutrients in the water will be used for algae production. Feces and feed residuals will be used as organic fertilizer. Residuals from the fish will be used for omega-3 production, and the CO2 will be inserted in greenhouses for leafy green and vegetable production.
Instead of releasing all those valuable nutrients out in the sea as the conventional aquaculture is doing today, we are collecting that up, drying it up to a perfect organic fertilizing product. When utilizing the byproducts into organic fertilizer, it must not contain salt. And a freshwater byproduct, meaning that it's a ready-to-use fertilizing product, and that is unique by farming trout. That will allow farmers to use that instead of an organic or chemical-based fertilizer, which is not a sustainable way of farming in the future.
It's just fantastic working with this. By producing healthy food, we also create valuable products, and we also give back the resources we utilize from the nature in a very healthy condition. Eyvi follows a high ESG standard because we care and because it is good business with sustainable profits.
This technology now is mature and ready to be scaled out and expanded into the global arena. We will start off by expanding into the US, and there our goal is to go even further than our first generation. By partnership with algae producers and other important industries that are needing nutrients in a water stream, we will allow them to co-establish themselves with HEMA and utilizing and taking off even further the nutrients in the water.
My favorite thing about the job is actually being proud every single day, because we do something which is very important, not only for the human beings producing food, but also for the nature producing food in a very sustainable way. So Eyvi is super excited to develop this technology further, implement it globally, not only creating a super healthy fish, but also more sustainable food system for generations to come.